Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar index for Tuesday, May the 11th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today to the upside, and previously we had a candle with a lower high and lower low. Today we have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. And yesterday we highlighted the potential for the change of trend, and basically that was because we had a fairly bullish candle and the short-term dynamics weren't supporting the change of trend to the downside. It was quite a bullish day with a very large shadow on the bottom, and with the market finding support down at this large zone of support between 83.22 and 82.86. The trouble for the bulls is that this new first time frame uptrend has occurred on a spinning top type candle, and the spinning tops denote indecision. We have a very small body, which in this case means that the buyers have made a very small amount of net bullish progress. We'd like to see them make a substantially larger amount of bullish progress, and certainly in line with the amount of bullish progress they made on the previous day. So that amount of progress that they've made is actually decreased, and it doesn't suggest the change of trend as healthy as it should be. And also we have the shadows on the top of the bottom representing selling coming in from the top side and buying coming in on the downside. So we have a large battle going on between the bulls and the bears, and neither side has really won that battle. And what you want to see if a market is trending up is that you want to see the bulls in the ascendancy. You don't want to see neither side in the ascendancy. At least we don't have the bears as the strongest players in the market today. So that is something for a potential continuation of the trend to the upside. But the indecision that's exhibited by this candle does raise doubts about this market continuing to trade up to the upside and testing this 85 region and the swing high at around 85.25. Now the market is still trading up above the cloud of the Kumo, so it has an overall positive bias, and trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so it's positive or bullish in the medium term and faster timeframes. And the Tenkan-sen is pointing up fairly sharply, reflecting some upside momentum that the market has built, and that's the case. So if the market does come off, it may potentially once again find support at the Tenkan-sen at 83.45, and it tested that area, and the buyers came in around that area just below it previously. Interestingly though, the Kijun-sen is turning flat, and that is a little worry for me with this market. With that Kijun-sen being flat, it means that in that higher time frame the market is not trending. It lacks momentum. We can see with these type of candles here the market may be building some sort of a congestion area again, so there is a possibility for that. And quite often what happens is that when that Kijun-sen turns flat, the market tends to become, the price action tends to be attracted back towards there. Now we did have that previously yesterday, but there still is potential for that to happen while that continues sideways, so we do need to be aware of that, and we should really watch the low of the current candle for a potential another change of trend back down to the downside. Now just below here though is that area that we highlighted previously as an important area that may offer support, so that could hold up this market before it does potentially trade down to the Kijun-sen. There is good support all the way down through here, so good strong support down below. All of the indicators are positive, not much resistance up above. Potential for the market to continue in the uptrend, but a little bit of worry with this indecisive type candle.